Now today is the 6th of September 2022. We have Wärtsilänkatu 18 here in Järvenpää Treskelda. Or is this actually Saunakallio?
No,
But it's closer to Järvenpää city center.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in Helsinki's what region? Uusimaa Finland.
It's Sorto.
Yeah. Another small suburb here.
Yeah, very small.
Yeah.
Just 4 elevators.
Yes. But all of them were replaced by Orona.
Yeah.
So you also know that the last one was replaced by Orona.
I'm sorry if it's Orona, but it was replaced still.
We
But
can check what
yeah.
they replaced with.
Yeah.
Because these 4 press of 20 grams replaced in 2019. But do you know when it was built originally? 1974 or 75 or something?
Probably.
It will be expected next year, 2023. We'll check when it was originally built.
Yeah.
9 floors, the serial number is XFI 83392PY. Oh yeah, you can also check when it was built. I think it's too slow.
Yeah.
And also, too bad they penalized it already.
Yeah.
Because fornicator.
Yeah.
Well, it's always like because it was too easy to do it
Yeah.
with the key. And that's very irritating. I mean, this is not generic, so they shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
This is still not the worst.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we don't have to film all of these at once here.
Yeah.
One is enough here. And I filmed one example in the next two.
Yeah.
Or I'm not sure, maybe I was here, but I'm not sure. It's very strange that I can't remember which of these 4 I was in.
Yeah.
But if that one was also replaced, then probably all 4.
Expected by Kivain's and maintained by Schiller.
Yeah. And then probably all 4 are replaced.
Yeah.
But we can check it. Yeah, that's it. Takes a while to close the doors.
Yeah. That's